Guess what? I just got an email from this guy named Josh. He's some kind of TV producer, and he is willing to make one of my videos put on this big website that could be used on like some kind of commercial thing. I don't know. It could be just on the internet or could be on the internet. He says that he's not the one who chooses. It's the website. It's called ursessions.com. He said that he would send me another email when everything is done, and when we find out if it's going to be online or on TV. I'm pretty sure, he said it was likely that it would be online, but I'm not really sure yet, and oh.